Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 18th of November. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week we have Goodman Group, Energy World, Digital X, MSL Solutions and Pursuit Minerals. So if you have a request, please send it through. Make sure you're getting the newsletter every Thursday, but if you'd like our better ideas, you need to get the Dynamic Investor Report that comes out on Tuesday. But if you do enjoy these videos, we'd love you to share them on social media or even leave us a review. Our main business is giving advice and portfolio management. So if you'd like to have a broking account with me and work with me directly and get my help, then please let me know. And all the advice here, of course, is general only. So we've got a daily chart here of Goodman Group. Look, this is one of our favourite stocks actually. We've got most of our clients holding this one in the long term, and we have been buying it as recently as October on this reversal here. So the chart still looks very good. Just focusing on the last few months, we've had basically a consolidation since the August high. It broke that, retested it, and then continued to kick on. So, you know, it's still trending higher. In the shorter term, what we've got here, so it still looks very bullish. We've got this little rectangular consolidation. So it's sort of broken out of this movement here and just consolidating sideways. We could see lower volumes alongside the old high. And now it's trying to push above this rectangle and good volume yesterday as well. So if anything, this is actually another buying opportunity as it moves out of this rectangle. Okay, Energy World. So we've got a stock that had a good run end of last year, early this year, and then has just built a base. Obviously the break, this sort of move here in early October was the buying opportunity. We could see the volume on the way up. Hasn't kicked on, but what it's done is it's come back to sort of retest this break on lower volume. Now it looks like it's moving again. Tried to sort of break this. It did momentarily fail, but the way it's holding in here, it looks like it will get moving any day now. So looks like this one wants to recover back up to these levels. I'd wait for it to crack 10 cents. So if you can get through this previous little peak here, then that would be the buying opportunity. Okay, DCC. So again, a stock that did well at the end of last year and has come back, built a bit of a base, started moving higher here, sort of late August, as it sort of broke through about 6 cents. I think that would have been the buying opportunity. Again, we've then had a pull back and retest here, then another break, bit of a run, another little consolidation, and then another run higher. So overall looking good, although we have had an increase here in volatility. So volatility is picking up. I think as a buying opportunity here, firstly, you'd either like to see it sort of tighten up a bit more and just, if we can get, little movements like this again, if it could tighten up and then buy that break. Otherwise, with all this volatility, the other buy signal would just be basically a move beyond these peaks here. A break of that would be the other buying opportunity. Okay, MSL. So trending well since the start of the year, but most recently, to me, there's a very obvious sort of breakout from an ascending triangle here. Couldn't be any clearer really. So we've got formation of an ascending triangle. Yesterday, big break, big volume, sort of textbook break. So that's basically just a buying opportunity on that clear breakout. Okay, and finally Pursuit. So still got this sort of downtrend from earlier in the year. Even most recently, we had this sort of potential support of 4 cents where it bounced off that in May. In October, it sort of crashed through that, tried to get above it in late October and has failed. So it still looks quite negative here. Probably just needs to build more of a base, but ultimately, you know, it really needs to get through that 4 cent mark. So build a base, break 4 cents, and then it's starting to look better. But at the moment, it's too early to be buying this one. Okay, and that's all for this week. If you have a request, send it through. We'll try to include it next Thursday for you.